Hello and welcome to In Goa News special program Face the People. We have with us today special guest, Deputy Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly and Kalangut Constituency MLA, Mr. Michael Lobo. Mr. Lobo, welcome to the show. Mr. Michael Lobo is the chairman of the North Goa Planning and Development Authority. There is widespread agitation and apprehension in the minds of people regarding PDAs in Goa, not only Kalangut Kandolim but elsewhere in Santander, Santa Cruz and elsewhere in Goa. There are various questions in the minds of people which we want to ask Mr. Michael Lobo. Mr. Michael Lobo, welcome to the show. Mr. Michael Lobo won the Kalangut constituency in 2012 assembly elections, and because of his good work he was re-elected in 2017. He was also a key player and kingmaker to form the BJP government this time around, and for that he was rewarded by the post of Deputy Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly. He is second time chairman of the North Goa Planning and Development Authority, but opposition to the NGPDA, to the PDAs in fact, and to the ODPs is mounting in Goa. Mr. Lobo, what do you think about this opposition to the PDAs and to the ODPs?
North Goa Planning and Development Authority has been formed 2 decades before. It is around more than 25 years old PDAs. Kalangut Kandolim was declared as a planning area only for a reason that you have to see from Shinkerim to Baga how much area of the locals, hotel industry, restaurants, guest houses, shops and other allied activities of the tourism has grown. And whether there should be any planning required for this area or not. So I decided in the year 2012 when I got elected that I will bring this area in PDA so that we will plan for these areas for the next 50 years. And when I talk about planning, I talk about growth of the people, of our local people. Local लोकां खातीर कितें तरी करपाक जाय फ्युचरान, नाजाल्यार लोक बांदीत वयतले. लोक आपल्या जाग्यानूय बांदतले, आनीकूय जागे घेतले बांदतले, भायले लोक येवन आनीक बांदतले. आमकां ह्या जाग्याचो महत्व, importance of this place, we have to tell the people that this place is scarce, and in this उरला तो जाग्याचेर कशें डेव्हलपमेंट जावप, कोमनीदादीचे जागे, गव्हर्मेंटाचे जागे कशे कामाक लावप, म्हणजे लोकां खातीर जे एक्वायर केले 40 वर्सां पयलीं. 40 years back land was acquired in Kandolim on the beach, 15,000 square meters. 50,000 square meters acquired at Baga.
By whom?
By Goa tourism, for tourism activities. But 40 वर्सां जाले कोणूच ते जागे डेव्हलप करिना. सो हांवें आमदार जालो पळय तेन्ना हे दोनूय जागे डेव्हलप करपाक चालू केले. बागान ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट, कांदोली 80% कंप्लीट. पण एका आदी ऑपोजिशन आहले करपाक. लोकां खातीर एक्वायर केल्ले, लोकां खातीर पार्किंग लॉट जावं, चेंजिंग रूम फॅसिलिटीज, बरे गार्डन, चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क, एल्डरली पीपल पार्क, हे सगळे वस्तू करपा खातीर आमी वावुरले. ऑपोजिशन लोकांक सांगूंक लागले हे व्हडले कितें तरी घालूंक सोदता म्हणून. पूण हेच ऑपोजिशन आदी हे जागे इकोटेल हॉटेलाक दिवंक सोदताले, म्हणजे खंयच्या तरी हॉटेलाक भाड्याक दिवंक सोदताले. 99 years लीज अशें आनीक गोंयान खूब कडेन जागे दिल्ले आहा. ट्युरिजमाचे जे ट्युरिजम एक्टिविटीक एक्वायर केल्ले ते भाड्याक दिल्ले आहा लॉंग टर्म. सो माय इंट्रस्ट इज लोकल. आणि हे PDA आता 4.5 वर्सां जाली आमी PDA हाडल्यार कलांगूट. कोणे सांगचे की आमी हुंय कितें रॉंग केला पळय तें. एक टेन्शन येवन सांगचे की आमी लोकलाचे घर मोडला, लोकलाक त्रास केल्या, ओ आनी कोणाक कितें केला. पण आता some other parts of Goa are included in PDA like Santa Cruz, San Andres. The locals got up over there. बाबा आमचे कडेन गेस्ट हाऊस, हॉटेला, रिसॉर्ट्स कांय ना. आमचे डेन्सली पॉप्युलेटेड ना. So why this area is brought under PDA? And there was agitation. So minister has decided and already told the people that I am withdrawing this area from PDA. So and PDA, it is not under my PDA. I never asked for this area.
PDAs has become synonymous with construction, with concrete and with real estate lobby, developers, builders. Also in the ODP, 25-meter roads, wide roads are shown in interior places of the villages. So that has raised apprehension in the minds of people. How do you justify 25-meter roads in the interior villages?
जे लोकांक त्रास जाल्या व ज्या लोकांक दिसता की आमी 25 मीटर रोड केल्या म्हणून तेणी येवन म्हाका दाखोवपाचे. आतां आमी ज्या रोडार उबे आहा हो 25 मीटर रोड रिजनल प्लॅनार दाखयला MDR रोड म्हणून. आमी हो डिक्लासिफाय करता and making it 15 meter road. So this is benefit for the people.
Okay.
हो रोड 25 मीटर दाखयला वो आम्ही 15 मीटर केलं. हिंगा ऑलरेडी डेव्हलपमेंट केले आम्ही. एक साइडीन फुटपाथ केली, एक साइडीन पार्किंग केले. दिस इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. So the total area of the road, which is width of the road, is 10 meters, 2 meter for footpath, 3 meter for parking one side. So this is the development I am proposing for this constituency from Shinkerim to Baga. The road area which was shown as 25 meter. आता तुका जो तर एक घर legally बांधूंक जाय. Center of the road 12.5 plus 5 सोडचे पडले तुवें. आता तुवें कितले सोडूंक जाय? 7.5 आणि 3. So आम्ही वो डिक्लासिफाय करून 15 मीटर केलो.
So are you giving a concrete assurance to the people that no compound wall or anything will be demolished because of this?
See, I will give you one assurance. Let the people say Michael Lobo in the last 5 years has done something wrong. I have done this development for 2 kilometers.
Until now it is a draft ODP. Once it is finalized.
Now, Kandolim Tinto up to there, this road was 25 meter, we brought it to 15 meter. And 15 meter I have done development. कोणाक त्रास जावंक ना. पण हायकोर्टान गेलो पळय तो आमचो पॉलिटिकल ओपोनंट Agnel Fernandez, ex-MLA. He went to High Court, he lost the case. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to help the people. आता फायनल ODP झाल्या उपरांत लोकांक त्रास कशे जातले, लोकांची घरां रेग्युलरायज जातली, प्लॅनार येतली, तेंची सेटबॅक ना घराक, तेंचो बाउंड्री ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी आनी तेंचे घर 1 मीटर हा कोणाचे 1.5, कोणाचे 2 मीटर, कोणाचे 2.5 मीटर. जे 3 मीटर सेटबॅक आसूंक जाय ते आमी रूल न्यू रेग्युलेशन फॉर्म करता, रूल चेंज करता आनी तेंकां आमी एज ऑन वेरीज बेसीस आतां तेच्या प्रॉपर्टीन तेणे घर बांदला अर्दो मीटर सेटबॅक धरून विथ लायट एंड व्हेंटिलेशन. तशें आमी रेग्युलरायज करून स्टॅम्प मारून दितले.
So under which provisions of the PDA Act can you regularize illegal constructions or unauthorized constructions?
PDA authority has powers to change the regulation. Existing regulation says 3 meter setback from the boundary of your property. So we will change that regulation in the final ODP, which we have already proposed in the draft, because the existing structures in this area of Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga, Shinkerim has already been constructed. म्हणजे ते लोकांनी ऑलरेडी घरां, गेस्ट हाऊस, रिसॉर्ट्स, हॉटेल्स बांधली आमच्या लोकल आणि तेंका सेटबॅक ना म्हणून ती रेग्युलरायज जायना. तेणी खाली पंचायतीक हाऊस टॅक्स रिसीट फारीक केला, कोणाकडे अप्रूव प्लॅन ना. आम्ही आता अप्रूव प्लॅन दितले तेंका वन्स द फायनल ODP कम्स. लोकांचे एप्रिहेन्शन अनेक आहा की आम्ही हाय रायज बिल्डिंग येतले, हाय रायज बिल्डिंग केन्ना दिवचे ना, कित्याक द प्लॅन शोज हायेस्ट FAR विच वी आर गिविंग ऑलरेडी कन्स्ट्रक्टेड. कोणे आमचे लोकलान कोणे हॉटेल बांधला तेजी एरिया 80च्या वयर गेल्या, ताका 100 FAR ओनली फॉर दोज पीपल हू हॅव ऑलरेडी कन्स्ट्रक्टेड. दोज पीपल who have got 0.8 will get 0.8 only, 0.8 and 100 only who have already constructed. So we are trying to regularize the structures by giving higher FAR of 20%, which today you have to buy at the rate of 20,000. 20,000 रुपया दी गव्हर्नमेंटाक ट्रेजरीन फारीक करून आनी इकती घे रूल आहा. आता तेजे उपरांत आमी कितें म्हणटा, तुमकां फ्री दिता FAR, 20% इन्क्रीज करता. कितें रॉंग केलें, कितें चूक केली? आमची शेतां प्रोटेक्ट करपा खातीर सगळी कम्युनिदादीची शेतां कोणे बांदपाक जायना. दोंगर आहा पळय ते कम्युनिदादीचे. कांदोली पंचायतीक कम्युनिदादीक आनी कलांगूट कम्युनिदादीक आमी ऑलरेडी सांगला की तुमी जागे फॉर फ्युचर जनरेशन्स ऑफ कलांगूट एंड कांदोली पीपल दवरा म्हणून रिजर्व करा. आनी आमी ODPचेर ते माग करतले रिजर्व फॉर multi-purpose or recreational center for stadium, cricket mini stadium, football stadium with other facilities inside like swimming pools, badminton courts, long tennis courts, squash courts. सगळे आहा तितके भाशेचे लायक अ इंडोर क्लब which will have backgammon, chess, all those games. Let our children benefit from this land. Otherwise कोण तरी भायले लोक येतले आणि ते इथून झोपडपट्टी बांधले ते काडपाक जावचे ना. आमचे आयज लोकल लोक म्हणटा कमनी जातीचे हे दोंगर, कमनी जातीची शेतां. आता जी शेतांनी जे लोकांनी बांधला, आमचो एक टेनंट जो असता टेनंट अशीच नाचतो त्याचे कोण तरी आधी मनीस कोण टेनंट आले तेणे 10,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर आणि 50 रूम बांधून भिकाऱ्यांक दवरल्या कलांगुटान. आणि हे आमचे पॉलिटिशियन जे आहा शेणल्या पळय ते जोसेफ सिक्वेरा अदर्स हे डायरेक्ट तांकां सपोर्ट करता. बाबा तुमचे हे मोठे हुंय मारला, शेतान मारला, झोपडपट्टे बांधल्या. आम्ही ते पीडीएमसून डिसिजन ऑलरेडी घेतला मोठेले म्हणून. सो वी आर ट्रायंग टू हेल्प द लोकल पीपल so that this land which is remaining should go for the benefit of the people. Like a hospital should come up, like a market complex, a transport zone, multi-level car park. जे गाडयो येऊन थिंगा रावतले आणि डिकंजेस्ट जातले कलंगूट, हे सगळे फॅसिलिटी आम्ही दिवंक शकता. चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क, एल्डरली पीपल पार्क, रिक्रिएशनल फॅसिलिटीज, ऑल गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस अंडर वन बिल्डिंग. हे सगळे कोणाचे लँडान जातले, कम्युनिदार लँडानूच जातले. बट वी विल हेल्प द पीपल बाय गिविंग देम शॉप्स ओवर दे. कोण टेनंट आहा तांकां शॉपां दितले. बट आमी कितें म्हणटात ताका व्हडल्यो हाय रायज बिल्डिंगी तल्ले आमी काय करपाक दिवपाचे ना ओडीपी प्लॅनार.
Michael Lobo has been rewarded with a second term as a Kalangut MLA and also rewarded as a Deputy Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly. What we don't understand is what was the need for a Greater Panji PDA to be carved out of the North Goa Planning Development Authority and given maybe to a ally for political reasons, or was it to cut his wings? The answer to this we will get in the second after the break. It's time for a short break. Please stay with us, don't go away. We'll be right back. Welcome back to In Goa News, Face the People, and we have with us Michael Lobo. We were asking Michael what was the need to carve out a Greater Panji PDA from the NG PDA. Is it to encroach on your space? Is it to cut your wings? Or is it to put you in your place?
No, there is nothing like that. Greater Panji Planning and PDA was formed with other areas, and except one area, that is Taligaon PDA area, which was earlier part of NGPDA, was given to Greater PDA. So that was a decision taken by Town and Country Planning Minister Vijay Sardesai, and chairman was made accordingly, who is part of Goa Forward Party. So leaders of Goa Forward, whoever had joined Goa Forward, like Babush Mansarat, he wanted to give him a position. So that was made. It is a political compulsion as far as Goa Forward Party is concerned. Nothing to do with us.
But
so I have no problem. I had no problem. I told him straight away that I have no problem if you want to carve out some area from my area and give it to him. I did not say that I am upset.
Can Mr. Vijay Sardesai, play with PDAs, create PDAs to accommodate political allies at the cost of the people's sentiments? Is this correct?
See,
will you tomorrow ask for another PDA to accommodate somebody else?
That is a total political decision which he had taken, and I don't want to comment on that because that was a decision of the Goa Forward Party, and Vijay took it in the interest of his party, and some area which is already there. I would say that Taligaon PDA area was already a PDA area.
True.
Which was put in Greater PDA.
True.
And now the area which is there, Taligaon and Kadamba Plateau, Kadamba Plateau was also earlier part of the earlier PDA, and that ODP was already there of that area. So the remaining area which he has removed it out now, as people have had sentiments that their villages should not be part of PDA and all those things, he has already obliged to that, and the agitation has got little more aggressive. That I think that should not be the way it should be. Like, some people have gone personally against his house, against his character, against his that is wrong. I strongly feel that in a democracy, if you want to tell something to the government, you need to tell, not in an undemocratic way. Undemocratic way is not accepted. Now they are having no reason that why should area of Calangut and Kandolim should be removed out of PD area. The reason what they are showing is we are trying to sell all the land to builders, outsiders, high-rise building. There is no land. Which land to sell? Absolutely, there is no land.
There is land in the fields and there is land on the hills. All the hills have been cut already. So there is that there might be constructions on the Baga hill.
See, there is no fields which have been occupied or shown on the ODP for commercial purpose. Whatever fields are shown, they are all fields belonging to Komunidad. And Komunidad fields are being shown as future development for the villages, not for Michael Lobo, for the villages. जोर तोर थिंगा तुका बरें हॉस्पिटल येवपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंटाचे जाल्यार आमी रिजर्व केला जागो. थिंगा बरो चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क येवपाक जाय आनी एल्डरली पीपल पार्क तोय रिजर्व केला, रिक्रिएशनल. We have also marked for a community hall. There is no community hall in Kalangut where somebody wants to get married, कोणाचे लग्न आहा, कोणाचे आनी कितें आहा, फंक्शन करूंक जाय, कोणाचो बर्थडे करूंक जाय. 1000 capacity hall should be built in a Komunidad land or government land. So we have requested Anthony D'Souza and his team that you please reserve some land for the future generations of Kalangut. And who are agitating now are those few of the tenants who are part of those fields. I am again assuring that all those tenants will be also taken care of. Think of Poisha Diuchana, think in kind Tingat Banon Ditele, and that again will be on lease. So तेणी अशें चिंतपाचें न्हू की आमचो लँडान कम्युनिटी हॉल येतले आनी आमकां कांय मेवचें ना. कम्युनिटी हॉलाच्या सकयल जी शॉपां आसतली ती तांकां मेवतली. सो तेणी अशें चिंतपाकूच उपकारना की आमकां काडून भायर उडयतले म्हणून. सो वी आर इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ Kalangut, Kandolim, Shinkerim, Baga to do this ODP, and no hills or nothing like that will be shown in a wrong way. आमी सगळे नेचर प्रिजर्व करून हो ODP करपाक सोदता. जो 25 मीटर रोड आमी मार्क केला फ्रॉम द फिल्ड्स, वी आर रिमुविंग इट and putting that road on stilts, म्हणजे bridge, like how we have done a bridge from Goa Medical College. Government has done Goa Medical College up to Verna, up to the airport. The road going to the airport. Okay. So new bridge आता. First on stilts we will do on top. So let the people plow their fields. थिंगा तेंचे शेतान एकूच पिलर येतलो, फुड्यान एक पिलर येतलो. So people should not think that we are trying to destroy.
Okay.
See, government will have its own ways to construct, to decongest this road. वो रोड जो तर आमी 15 मीटर करता जाल्यार ते सायडीन ब्रिज बांदया. लोकांची शेतां पुरवया नाका, माती घालया नाका, पूण एक कॉलम काडया आनी थिंगा वयरसून ब्रिज करया. We will show bridge on the plan. We will not show road on the plan. So लोकांक कितें बरें दिसता तितलें करया. लोकांनी मिसगायड जावचें न्हू की 4 लोक कोण लिडर आहा पळय ते कोण शेणलेले लिडर, जे कोण पॉलिटिक्सांसून भायर उडयल्ले लिडर, ते आतां रिएंट्री करूंक सोदता थ्रू PDA. लोकांनी चिंतपाक जाय की हेचो फायदो कोण घेता. All those politicians who have lost elections, all those politicians who have been thrown out and rejected. कित्याक rejected? They thought about themselves. आमी आमचे चिंतिना, आमचे बिझनेस आहा, we are well settled, we are not interested. They already made money and build their assets through that money, and people know about it.
Okay, Michael is firm that the ODP for Kalangut is for purely altruistic purposes. We will ask him some more political questions after a short break.